Obiyabaye bimbiro mukuru gwo kushendekereza mu birgo mugenzi George Wilson Kaguhanzire orishe Lieutenant General James Mugira uri mukuru w'ekitongore kya NEC Emeritus Bishop Stephen Namanya yahiga abakristo y'abashwerine okwatanisa amaka gabo gabase kuguma ibiro byona
ko musinguzi kandi okahwera abakazi ba Mother's Union kumanya buri kibasika umukazi kuziko mushayija we batagire kumutarura ninga urubanza rutari mukoti kugira ngo hazo umugenzi yagenda babe n'urubanza mukoti bajyoro kumutero mungara bakazi abo kuba aba bana no bakutugira ngo batukunda ko kagenda kugambira umuntu no wakundishe inatarwa basa kumuca muzani.
Emeritus Stephen Namanya yanjera yasima mukikuru Major Kaguhanzire uri mukazi w'umugenzi ahubwo kuba cyo kureberaho kandi no kutungura kansa
family ye kozire mbaho we yajya ngo mwabatinde sente ngo haruba abatinde na 10 konka ina mapesha garu ku MP yazikasheshe kazi kije neza ibazi kayija neza abana zikayija neza America zikayija abamajoro mbere majore I salute you yebare mnongo
church kwa yetu ina uniform zones tujwara George Wilson hamwe na Manyere n'ubasha bagenda umugira ngo azugure.
General David Muhozi umukwaye bugambo bye yagira ngo mugenzi abira ari muzire kandi urukombe kihanga kandi atari kubanganisa mu mbantu.
Discipline, order. What I want to bring out about the old man is not just being a teacher. Kuko umwegesi akasha ibyakushobeza. Kandi akashoborokerwa arabakushoma bakaguma batashoborokerwa. Time consciousness bakigamba humor, tough humor.
I had to come to bury a gentleman that brought you. We see him in you, sir. We believe he was a successful father for bringing up a family that brought a Lieutenant General that has made a lot of contribution and is still making a lot of contribution to this country.
Major Kaguhanzire mukomugenzi kunde kanisa kandi yashaba abantu bona ukureba ngo bamusasira ebiyashagize.
Umwaka gwa nkaga na mukaga nangwa nkankero na mufu no kwisaka magingo enda muterese nsumu ekyo nincyama nabugambire konka kambera murungi ngo mwana kuyagamba akabamanya abana be abatetsa be nabagambire ati babatere sumu nanaje musino bagenda natere sumu.
Abana b'umugenzi bagamba hari shebo ebinte byabakorere nko muzire
ni msima mnonga habo kutetsa itwekabe ishukuru erumwa hachoncho bya katata ebikunda mnonga ni mkundra amazima embabazi okukunda kw'amazima.
George Wilson Kaguhanzire akazara umwaka gwa rukomo 2007 akabaho umushomesa kandi n'umuramuzi kandi akafa 2030 biko kubanza 2025 kandi yazikwera izuba kandi ubwo yasiga abana 11. Amakuru agagasha kwa Job Kato awa Sky Television agenshonga umuricuruhura.